And as global stock market investors monitor Ukraine-Russia crisis, Indian markets have closed with gains. As Sensex, Nifty bounced back and Sensex gained over 1,300 points during the day. Taking a cue from the Asian markets, the European markets also opened in green today. The Pan-European Stock 600 traded up around 1% shortly after the opening bell, with all major markets opening in positive territory. Before that, following Wall Street's overnight lead, Asian shares regained ground as the US president hit back at Russia with harsh sanctions after it unleashed troops, tanks and missiles on Ukraine. MSCI's broadcast index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan rose 0.68%, while Japan's Nikkei was trading up 1.53%, and Hong Kong's Hang Seng index added 0.16% in the morning trade. Australian shares added 0.3%, driven by a rebound in the tech stocks. Investors rediscovered their risk appetite overnight after some initial sharp losses, with some major U.S. indices posting gains on Wall Street on Thursday, led by the tech stocks. However, U.S. share futures slipped in early Asian trade, with S&P 500 E-mini futures losing 0.61%. and Nasdaq futures down 0.92%. Analysts worry any rallies might be fleeting. Oil prices, which jumped when the Russian invasion began on Thursday before falling back, rose again on worries about supply disruptions. The Russian invasion of Ukraine ringing supply alarm bells, and Russia's invasion of Ukraine continues to inflame global oil supply concerns as markets brace for the impact of trade sanctions on the major crude exporter, Russia. The attack on Ukraine caused prices to surge to more than $100 a barrel for the first time since 2014 on Thursday, with Brent touching $105 before the gains by the close of trade. Yesterday, the Dow Jones Industrial Average closed up 92.07 points, that's 0.28%, while the S&P 500 gained 63.2 points or 1.50%, and the Nasdaq Composite added 436.10 points, that's 3.34%.